One of the issues of greatest concern to people nowadays is pollution because in the last few years the consequences have been terrible. We pollute a lot, and this led us to the fact that we are forming new islands of plastics in the ocean. In addition, it is estimated that by 2050 there will be more plastic than fish in the sea.
Furthermore, Spain is the fourth largest producer of this material in the European Union. Therefore, we have to make a good consumption of this material because only the 50% of the plastic packaging ends up in the landfills. Research has found that water pollution occurs when natural bodies of water such as lakes, rivers, and seas are contaminated by various types of chemical substances that are alien to their original composition and modify their properties, making them unhealthy and harmful to life. Fish, phytoplankton, and plastic in the ocean breaks down into small particles of that size. What many people don't know is that fish confuse many times small particles of plastic with plankton. So this is not only dangerous for the fish, but also for the entire food chain.
On the other hand, there is a scarcity of drinking water or bad quality water that many people in the world suffered from. It is estimated that 663 billion people do not have access to clean water and 2.5 million do not have access to purification water according to UNICEF. Moreover, the incorrect use of plastic is not only the responsibility of the consumer, but also the company that it produces, because nowadays we can find plastics even in the most silly things.
For example, the children come some little chorizo in these little packages.
The same goes with bread. It isn't necessary so much plastic. As a conclusion, we can do a lot of things to protect our environment, such as reducing the use of plastics and microplastics that are already in the water. So we could reduce the quantity of plastic that ends up in the sea.
Be responsible and don't forget that ending up with pollution is possible.